Something wicked this way comes. Rising from the deepest layers of the spirit world, the 9-foot animated predator of the night returns to the land of the living, hell-bent on stealing the soul from your body and the breath from your very lungs. Standing a towering 9 feet tall and with wings stretching 12.5 feet wide, this satanic spawn is a sight to behold, if you should be so unfortunate. Get this demon to dance with death, and its head swings back and forth. Its LED-lit eyes glow bright red, and large ears and pointed teeth shape its skull. Its posable arms move and hold their position, and more energy-efficient LEDs illuminate its massive, wondrous wings, drawing attention to their scarring and scaly detail. While enormous feet and hands pack a pernicious punch, it is no question the 9-foot predator of the night is a vision fit only for the damnedest of the damned, and all others should take heed.